Welcome to the Comp Social Studies -2 Assignment 3 Writing Tutorial. For this assignment, you will be provided with a controversial topic such as the one in front of you. Your task in this assignment is to 1. Understand the topic, 2. Explore the topic, and 3. Support your position on the topic. In your introductory paragraph, you will illustrate your understanding of the topic. Can you relate the topic to individualism or collectivism, or relate to government involvement or lack of government involvement? Within your body paragraphs, you will explore the provided topic. This is where you will demonstrate your understanding of multiple perspectives. You will be provided with 3 perspectives, such as the one shown, which you may use to aid your exploration of the topic. If you do choose to use these perspectives in your writing, you must put them into your own words. In your conclusion, you must support and defend your position on the topic. The marker assesses your voice and your engagement in the topic presented. This is where you get to highlight your knowledge and understanding of social studies. Finally, to complete your writing assignment, always conclude with a summary statement that illustrates your completion of all 3 tasks.